Stop scrolling if you're making your own hair oil wrong. Let me show you the exact mixture that made my hair thicker in just 14 days. No hype, no lies, just real results. If your hair is dry, breaking, thinning, or it has refused to grow, this is the hair oil for your natural hair. Every mixture hair has a purpose, and your hair will thank you later. This was my hair before I started using this ingredient, and look, this is after using the mixture. So follow me up as I share with you all the ingredients. We are using simple things you already have. We have cloves here, shea powder, black seed, aloe vera, herbal oil, rosemary, cinnamon, coconut oil, onion oil, castor oil, and other herbal oils. This works beautifully on your hair. If you don't have other oils mentioned here, do not worry. The goal is if your rosemary is included, your aloe vera, have your coconut black seed, and that works fine for you as well. So let's move ahead. First, we are blending all the solid ingredients, which include the rosemary leaf, the black seeds, the clove, the cinnamon, and also fenugreek. I forgot to mention that we also have fenugreek seeds here. So we are blending everything. Make sure that it comes into a powdered form. Feel free to reblend this until it becomes powder form. I'm taking out my time to explain each step for you so you don't miss out on anything while making yours at home. So make sure this blends very well. As you can see the way I'm doing, I'm taking it one step at a time. At first you will notice the fenugreek seeds will not be blending. What you have to do is you have to pound it first before turning it into your blender. First, I added in my petroleum jelly. This is because petroleum jelly has a moisturizing and dehydration agent to the hair. It also protects the hair, it softens and softens the hair. It also adds shines and make the hair look beautiful, and it also help hair growth. So I'll allow this petroleum jelly to come to a liquid form, that is to say to melt completely. If you don't have petroleum jelly, please do not worry, you can make do with your shea butter. The goal is to make all the ingredients infuse into this oil. Feel free to measure the desired quantity of all the ingredients that you want. For me, I'm making a large amount of hair oil. Trust me when I said, after using this hair cream, I got a massive good response from my customers of how this hair cream was able to boost hair growth and also reduce their hair breakage. Please, if you don't want your hair to grow, please do not use this hair cream, because this hair cream is strictly for people who want their hair to grow, like crazy. So if you don't want your hair to grow, please kindly skip this video, because this is 100% natural herbal remedies that boost hair growth and hair retention, and also make your hair shine and keeps your hair in check all the time. So if you're not this type, kindly so I introduce my shea butter and I'll allow both to melt completely. Shea butter is a superhero for hair. It is packed with vitamins A, E, and F, and fatty acids that nourishes and moisturize the hair. Shea butter soothes and calms the scalp. It reduces dandruff. It also adds shine to the hair. It shields hair from sun heat damage and also prevents hair from dryness. So when it comes to your hair oils or hair cream, shea butter plays a vital role for your hair. So it also boosts hair growth and make the healthy and make it strong at all the time. So after the petroleum jelly and the shea butter have melted, I introduced my aloe vera into this, and I'll allow this aloe vera to infuse well into the oil. I kept on stirring it to make sure that everything inside the aloe vera has been infused into the oil. So this is what this aloe vera looks like, and I kept on stirring it This is how it turned out, and I went in to pour my coconut oil into this mixture, and I kept on stirring it. So I went in to introduce all the ingredients that you've seen into this oil. So I kept on stirring this. After a while, maybe like 30 minutes, I put it off the fire, and this is me. I kept on stirring it to make sure that every ingredient has been infused into the oil. You can decide to keep this oil or store it for 2 weeks before using. This is because we want all the ingredients to infuse properly and correctly into the oil. Will you be trying this at home? Trust me when I say this hair oil will boost your hair. It will make your hair grow in no time, because all the ingredients needed for hair growth are right in this oil. The rosemary is there, the cloves, the chili powder, all the ingredients that you can ever imagine for hair growth are right infused into this oil. So this is a simple DIY hair growth cream, herbal hair growth cream that you can use at home. So right after the oil has cooled down, you can go ahead to strain it, but in my own case I didn't strain it. I just pour it into my containers, and this is what the down part is looking. All the ingredient is there. This is because whenever you want to use it, you can quickly heat it up on a double boiler method and use the oil, because the herbs is already there. So this is our Das Herbal Ayurvedic growth cream, and this is 100% herbs, no chemicals. You can make this at home for your hair growth. Would you be trying this at home? Please let me know in the comment section. This is the hair cream that we made. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more interesting hair growth tips, hair growth products, and DIY for your hair growth. Thank you so much, and bye.